Demar Scott, the hotel employee who was charged in 2018 with raping two female visitors at gunpoint, pleaded guilty to the charges today before the St. James Circuit Court. Scott pleaded guilty to 6 of the 8 charges laid against him. He pleaded guilty to 2 counts of rape, 2 counts of grievous sexual assault, and illegal possession of a firearm and ammunition. He pleaded not guilty to the offense of assault with intent to rob. Scott is to be sentenced on May 12. The 27-year-old was employed at the Rio Hotel as an entertainment coordinator 2 days before the incident, which occurred on September 27, 2018. Prosecutors had reported that he forced his way into the women's hotel room and held them at gunpoint. While raping one of the women, the gun fell from his hand. The other victim retrieved the weapon and opened gunfire on Scott, who was shot in the upper body. He escaped but was later arrested in Clarendon following a nationwide manhunt.